Okay, so when you're in the Chesapeake or when you're in Maryland, we need sauces. You know, you want sauces with the fish and with the meat and with that. So cocktail sauce is one of the most prominent sauces that you'll find around here. And you know, that's kind of a good thing because Maryland is the capital, especially the eastern shore, of horseradish. That's where it's grown, that's where it's processed, and no wonder we use cocktail sauce with everything. All right, it's very, very, very simple too. We like simple. I have a ketchup. This is a good quality ketchup. We're gonna take this prepared horseradish and, woo, another, God, that's something. So throw that in there. And then you want a little acidity in it. So I just use some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And one of the other stars of the show from Chesapeake, from Maryland recipes, and you'll see it even, you know, like back in the 18th and 19th century, is Worcestershire sauce. That kind of comes from England. They used it so much in their seasonings. So you put a little Worcestershire sauce in it. And then, if you don't already have enough kick from that horseradish, how about we're going to get a little hot sauce here. So I think we got to be careful. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that should just about do it. So you can use this. A lot of people like it for crab cakes. Some people like it with their fried oysters. And some people like it even with chicken tenders, whatever you want. So here you got one real big batch of Chesapeake and Maryland cocktail sauce. And you know, often you can go, you know, when you're at the farmer's market in season, you'll find some horseradish, the whole root. You can grate it down. You can make your own. So like we tell you here at Chesapeake Bites and our common table all the time, get ye to the farmer's market. I'll meet you there.